Hey friends, if you wish to use Clipchamp in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for Clipchamp in the Windows search bar and open Clipchamp. It will need a while to load and you can log in using your Microsoft account because it has become a Microsoft product. Now click on create a new video and then you can import media and edit using the options mentioned here. Okay. This is the timeline. You can drag the media here. You can go through it. You can add effects from the panel on the right. You can change the volume and finally you can export it. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.